Sapor is an agricultural community located approximately 7 kilometers from Akosombo in the Esojaman district of Ghana's eastern region, with a population of 3,527 according to the Esojaman Health District Population 2024. An interview with the opinion leaders made us realize that Sapor is confronted by the following challenges: poor infrastructure, poor communication systems, and waste management. This report will examine waste management at the Sapor Market. Despite the challenges, the Sapor community supplies agricultural produce to numerous districts. The lack of modern toilet facilities, potable water sources, and approved waste disposal sites within the market premises. Disposing of waste in the market poses a challenge, as the market does not have a facility for this purpose. The current unapproved refuse dump covers approximately an acre of land, and the only method employed for waste management is burning, which contributes to air pollution. The absence of a modern water facility and proper toilet facility at the Sapor Market has led to people urinating indiscriminately. The high patronage of the market raises concerns about potential disease outbreak. The consequences could extend beyond the local community and affect the nation on a larger scale. To address the waste management challenges faced by Sapor, the following recommendations are proposed. As a matter of urgency, institute an approved dumping site and develop a waste management system, including segregation of organic and inorganic waste, composting facilities, and recycling initiatives. In addition, construct modern toilet facilities and establish a portable water supply within the market premises. In conclusion, the market faces challenges related to access to basic amenities, waste management, and potential health risks. The segregation of waste may lead to wealth creation in terms of spending less on fertilizers. Farmers could improve their yields by using organic fertilizers, again exchanging the inorganic waste for money. Addressing these issues through targeted interventions and development initiatives is crucial for ensuring the well-being of Sapor's residents and easing potential adverse effects on a broader scale. Nissi Charis Asante Wiafe reporting for YRE.
Nissi, is she ready?